Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Everyday English Vocabulary by Irene. As a English learner, we sometimes have problem when we are reading, even having conversation with people, and also when we are listening something. The problem is vocabulary. If you know all the vocabulary, we do not have any problem when we are speaking, reading or writing. My focus is to share everyday 5 useful vocabularies that we use everyday life with their meanings, examples and opposite words. So let's start. Today my list of vocabularies is affluence, effort, agenda, agent, aggravate. Affluence, affluence, affluence. It's mean having plenty of money, nice houses, expensive things, etc. Having plenty of money, nice houses, expensive things, etc. Its opposite word is poverty. It means the situation or experience of being poor. For example, he is poor but his friends live in affluence. Effort, effort, effort. It means be able to buy or spare enough money. Be able to buy or spare enough money. Its opposite word is not able to buy something. For example, at present I am quite unable to afford to buy a new watch. Agenda, agenda, agenda. It means a list of programs or subjects. A list of programs or subjects. Its opposite word is unplanned or disorganized. It means do not have any plan to do something. For example, the first is the ability to communicate, to find a theme, to focus on an agenda. Agent, agent, agent. It means a person or company that represents another person or company, especially in business. A person or company that represents another person or company, especially in business. Its opposite word is customer, someone who buy products from shop. For example, the company has many agents all over the world. Aggravate, aggravate, aggravate. It means make worse or more serious. Make worse or more serious. Its opposite word is lighten, lighten, lighten. To reduce dark or become a brighter. For example, the measures adopted by the police aggravated the tense situation prevailing in the city. So keep watching my channel to learn vocabularies. Thanks for watching.